From here, you could see that if you click on this one, you could either upload directly from your device or select an image. You have many options in this area, either to choose from your drive, so this is from your Google Drive, or to get a link for an image to paste it over here and use it, or go on Google and search for something. You could also use the photos in your device in your Google account if you have one. I'm going to choose one from here. The same thing for videos. You could embed a YouTube video from here. You can search for it or either upload a video that you have. I'm going to search for a video, for example. You could go on your YouTube channel, get a video from there, grab it and add it over there. So I'm going to get a link for that video, paste it over here, and then I'm going to select it and add it. So now I added a variety of work over here. The same thing applies for the other features in this area.